What was the last question? Yesterday's question? L8. Is my voice audible? Okay. Does anyone has any doubts? So this L7, A power M followed by B power N. Any number of A's followed by any number of B's. The strings can be infinite. There is no relation. The strings are infinite. There is no relation between A and B. So we can construct a finite automata. This is the finite automata for this L7. Okay, it is regular. Now coming to L8, the difference between 7 and 8 is here in 7, M and N both can be 0, whereas in L8, minimum 1A followed by minimum 1B. So the smallest string is AB. Here, one or more A's followed by one or more B's. So for this is the automata. Okay. In L8 also there will be infinite number of strings and there is no relation between A and B. Okay. Now here we will see L9. What is L9? In L9, 0 or more A's followed by 0 or more B's, but B's must be in even number. L9. In L9, 0 or more A's followed by 0 or more B's. Okay. Suppose here both M and N can be 0. Suppose N is 0. Then if M is also 0, then epsilon, or M can be 1, M can be 2, M can be 3, M can be 4, like this. It will have only A's. L9 can have only A's. And this time suppose M is 0. Then if N is also 0, it will be epsilon. Already we wrote epsilon. If N is 1, B square. N is 2, B power 4. N is 3, N is 4. So here only B's can be there, but B's must be even number. Only A's can be there, A's can be any number. And epsilon also can be there. Okay. Or any number of A's followed by A's can be any number of A's followed by, suppose A's are 5 and B's can be anything, but it should be even number. Let it be B's are 8 or B's are 18, like that. So that if you can construct a finite automata to accept all these strings, then this will be a regular. Otherwise, it won't be a regular. Okay. What is the smallest string among all these? Epsilon is the smallest string. So accept epsilon first. We accept epsilon only the way initial should be the final. And the language will have only S. This is the way to accept only S. Then so this part is done, epsilon is done, and A square, A cube, all is done. Now what about this all even number of this? Look at this. This is single B. Single B we are not accepting because this is not a final state. And for B square, we are coming back. Okay, this is B, no, B square, yes. B cube, no, B power 4, yes, because this is final state. B power 5, no, B power 6, yes. B power 7, no, B power 8, yes. So like that. Now, this accepts only B's, even number of B's. And this only is any number of A's and also epsilon. Or A's followed by B's, like this, A power 5. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then B power 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like that. So it accepts. And is this machine perfect, or do you find any mistake in this? Anybody please respond.
Correct लग रहा है.
Correct ना? Okay, correct लग रहा है. Okay. Okay, मैंने क्या बोला था? कोई machine consider करो, it must accept the valid only. It should not accept even one invalid string. invalid string should not be accepted. At the same time, all the strings must be accepted. No doubt, this machine accepts all the valid. This is for epsilon, this is for only s, and this is for even number of bits, and yes, any number of s followed by even number of bits. No doubt, but it accepts the invalid strings also. What are those invalid? Okay. Is this a cube b power 4 valid? Of course. A's can be any number, b's are even number. So this is valid. So what happens here? A cube, then 1, 2, 3, 4 b's. Yes, perfect. It is valid. So it is accepted. Suppose a cube b power 4 again a power 5. Is this total string is valid? Guys, tell me, is this total string is valid?
Invalid.
Invalid. Why? What is that language here? It is any number of a's followed by even number of b's. That's it. Again a, again b's, again a's, again b should not be accepted. Okay, should not come. So look at this. This is a cube. A cube. Then this is a cube. Then b power 4 and again a power 5. Again even number of b's. Again a's. Again even number of b's. So this accepts all the invalid strings. So this is not the perfect. Okay, so what shall we do? What is the mistake here? Okay, it accepts only yes, that's good. And even number of b's. Even number of b's. One b don't accept, and this is for second b. Yes, accept. And third b don't accept. Okay, we are not accepting third b. And fourth b, yes. Fifth b no, sixth b yes, seventh b no, eighth b yes. Okay. So if you're not whenever you are not talking and whenever you're not giving reply, please switch off your means turn off your voice. Okay. So it accepts even number of bits. Now look at this a cube. Okay, b power 4. Okay. Now a cube. This is for only s. Then 1b, second b, third b, fourth b. Yes, it will be accepted. Whereas a cube b power 4, a power 5. If I say a cube, this is for a cube, and b power 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. The machine comes to this, and now the input symbol is a, and we have not defined, so the machine stops here. The machine stops without accepting the string. Or if you want to make it complete, then you can go for here a comes, we can go for dead set. Of course, we are not constructing the DFS. We are constructing, we are checking whether it is possible or not. So you consider anything, NFA or DFA. Right? So this machine won't accept this string because it is invalid. And this machine accepts all the strings of this L9. Okay, it accepts epsilon, only A's and only B's, or A's followed by B's. And tell me, how many strings will be there in L9? Infinite. All of them will be accepted by the corresponding machine. And do you find any relation between A and B? My question is, do you find any relation between A and B? Please respond.
No, sir.
No. Okay, no relation. Okay, all those things will be accepted by the machine. So L9 is regular. Now, so simultaneously you can copy the diagrams. So L10, what about L10? What about L10? Even number of A's, even number of A's followed by, bolo yaar, anybody?
Odd number of B's.
Uh-huh. Oh,
Odd number of Bs.
wow, very good, Mister. N value
No, no,
supposed
no,
to
no. Huh, huh.
n value is 2, then it will be b power 3 into 2 b power 6. B power 6, 6 is not a odd number, was?
Yeah, yeah. I got it.
You got it. Okay. Then even number of A's, this is even number of A's followed by B's are multiple of 3. Am I right? B's are multiple of 3. Okay. Not any number, even number of A's. A's are multiples of 2 followed by B's of 3. Okay. So at the same time, M and N both can be 0. If both are 0, then the string will be epsilon. Or if n is 0, then only A's can be there, but A's should be even number. If m is 0, then only B's can be there and B's should be multiple of 3. Or both A's and B's can be there, but even number of A's followed by multiple B's are multiple of 3. Is it possible or not? Okay, it is even number of A's. Only A's can be there. And the smallest string is epsilon. This is for L10. Even number of A's. Single A, don't accept. 2 A's, yes, accept. 1, 2, yes, 3, no, 4, yes, 5, no, 6, yes, like this. This accepts only A's, even number of A's. And only B's can be there, but B's should be multiple of 3. This is 1B, don't accept. 2 B's, don't accept. And 3 B's, yes, we must accept. So 1, 2, 3. And 4 B's don't accept. So we are not accepting the 4 B's. And 5 B's don't accept. 6 B's, yes, we are reaching the final state. And 7 B's, no. 8 B's, no. 9 B's. 10, 11, 12, yes. 13, 14, 15. Okay. This accepts only B's and this accepts only A's. And any number of A's, that is even number of A's, then followed by B's are. Are you following? This is even number of A's. Then B is multiple of 3. So we can construct a finite automata which accepts all the strings of L10. So this is regular. And here also there will be infinite number of strings. A's and B's can be infinite. And here also there is no relation between the inputs A's and B's. Am I is my voice is audible, clear? Is it clear? Any disturbance?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay, now copy this L10. Now you just check L11. This is for L10. L10 is regular. And what is the difference between 10 and 11? Only the difference is in L10, M and N both can be zeros. And in L11, the minimum values of M and N are 1. So the smallest string is a square b cube. So here L11 minimum 2 A's or more A's can be there but even number followed by minimum 3 B's. B's can be more but should be multiple of 3. Is it possible to construct the finite automata for L11? Yes, 100%. How? This is the smallest string. Every time I told you, whenever you are constructing, just accept the smallest one. A square. only A should not be accepted. Only B should not be accepted because the smallest string is A square B cube. So this is for 1, 2, 2 A's for the 3 B's. 2, 3. Yes, accept. Now A's can be multiple of 2. So look at this: 1, second A, then 3, fourth A, then 5th, 6th A, then 7th, 8th A. So if A's are even number, then the machine reaches to this. If A's are even number, then the machine reaches to this. Then here, if B comes 1, 2, 3, and B's are more than that, but should be multiple of 3. So I repeat, this is 1, 2, 3. 4, no. 5, no. 6, yes, accepted. 7, no. 8, no. 9, yes. And 12. So it accepts all the strings of L11. And therefore, L11 is regular. And here also, the strings will be infinite. All of them will be accepted by this machine. And here also, no relation between the inputs A and B. You understand? So copy this. Now, I'm going to L12. A in L12, the powers of A and B are same. A power n, B power n, n less than or equal to 3. Here, these two powers are same, means whatever the number of A's, that many number of B's should be there. Means if n value is 2, if A's are 2, then for B's must be also 2. So here, whatever the finite automata you take, the string will be scanned from left to right. Okay, first it scans A. Suppose you say like this, you after scanning this A, so remain in the same state, let it be Q0. If I say like this, it will be scanned, then the machine move to the next input symbol and it will be in the same state. Or otherwise, if I say in Q0 and A comes, go to Q1. So on this first A in Q0, the machine scans and it goes to Q1 and it moves to the next input symbol. When it comes to this second input symbol, the machine cannot remember that how many A's it has scanned till now. I repeat, after coming to this position, the machine cannot remember how many A's it has scanned till now. But here, the important thing is, whatever the number of A's, followed by that many number of B's must be there. Here, A's are 2, okay, A's are 2, and you have to count for this. And when you are scanning the B's also must be count, and these two numbers must be equal. So whenever A's are scanning, you have to count. So for that, a memory is required. But in finite automata, memory is not there. What happens actually, it scans A. If you say remain in the same state, after scanning this A, it will remain in Q0. Or if you say on scanning A in Q0, if you say go to Q1, it will move to the next input symbol and it will be in Q1. On Q1 on A, if you say remain in the same state, then it will move to the next input symbol and it will be remain in the same state. But it cannot count the number of A. But here, the important thing is you have to count the A's and B's. Why? Because A's and B's must be same. You have to accept this. Whereas you should not accept this string because here A's and B's are unequal. Okay. So whatever the string you take from L12, in that string, you have to count the A's, you have to count the B's, you have to compare those A's and B's whether they are equal or not. If they equal, you accept it. If they unequal, you reject it. So that you have to construct a machine. So to accept, to count and to check whether they equal or not, the numbers of A's and number of B's are equal or not. And before that, to count the A's and B's, a memory is compulsory required for finite automata. But till now, I have not told you any where finite automata has the memory. Just what did I say till now? It scans the string from left to right, and okay, it scans the string this one by one symbol only, every time only one symbol only. Okay, after it moving to the next input symbol, it will not remember the previous history. Okay, so here it compulsory. Suppose a square b don't accept. At the same time, a cube b cube accept because a's and b's are equal. At the same time, a cube b square don't accept. So to accept and to reject the valid or invalid, definitely you have to compare the a's and b's. So memory required, memory is not possible. Therefore, is this regular or not? You just tell me. Are you all following? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then tell me, is this regular or not? Is this possible or not? Can you construct a finite automata to accept L12? Means you accept AB, you accept A square, B square, you accept A cube, B cube, but don't accept A cube, B power 4. Don't accept A cube, B square. Like this. So every time whenever you are accepting any string, you have to check whether A's and B's are equal or not. So can you construct or not? If you can construct, it will be regular. Otherwise, it is not regular. So whenever I am giving the questions and explain, please take a notes, running notes. Miss, if I give you the string like this, a cube b square, Amisha, is this a valid string or invalid string?
Invalid string.
Because a's are 3 and b's are 2. How can you count when you are scanning the a's? How can you count that a's are 3? When you are scanning b's, how can you count that b's are 2? And even though you count these are 3, these are 2, how can you compare that these are not equal? At the same time, you must accept this string a cube, b cube. How can I count that a's are 3, b's are 3 and they are equal? So कैसे possible हो सकता है, Miss Amisha ji? Anybody? So possible, not possible. If you say not possible, I say not regular. If it is possible, okay, tell me how it is possible. Okay. Amisha ji, what is the smallest value of n in L12?
It can be 0.
So if it is n value 0, what is the smallest string then?
Epsilon.
वेरी गुड, एप्सिलॉन द स्मॉलेस्ट स्ट्रिंग. इसके बाद
AB,
गुड, बोलिए मैम.
A square B square,
इसके बाद
A cube B cube,
इसके बाद
not
जी
any,
बोलिए.
done.
क्या?
सर इसके बाद कोई नहीं होगा.
Okay, very good. Because n value is maximum 3, n less than or equal to 3. So 0 to 3. Now guys, tell me, if you can construct a finite automata to accept all these strings at the same time, that finite automata, if it does not accept any other strings, then do you agree that this language is regular? Okay, na? So, whatever the finite automata you construct, it must accept every string of L12. At the same time, it should not accept even one inward string. Then definitely it will be regular. Now look at this. This is the smallest string, epsilon. So this is for epsilon. Okay, this is done. And A, B. This is for AB. Look at this. Suppose single A, we are not accepting. Whereas AB, from year A, from year B, it is accepting. And now look at this thing. A square, B square. First A, from initial, it comes to this state. And second A, from second this state to it comes to this state. And here B comes, from here to the machine come to this state. And from here, the machine go to this final state. So it is accepted. Are you following? Okay. So A square, B square is also valid. Accepted. Now one more thing is there. Now look at this. A cube, B cube. So for first A, the machine come to this state. And for the second A, the machine from this, it comes to this state. And after that, for this third A, the machine comes from this to this state. And here B comes. Then the machine moves to this state. Here. And again B comes. It moves to this state. Here. And again B comes. It moves to the final state. So here A cube, B cube is accepted. Here, while accepting this A, B or A square, B square, A cube, B cube, suppose A cube, B cube I have accepted here. And here, while accepting this thing, did I count the A's so that A's are 3? Did I count the B's? B's are 3. And did I check that these 3 equal to 3? No. Just simply how I accepted, I have constructed the finite automata for every string. See, this is for epsilon. This is for epsilon. This is for epsilon. And this is for AB. And this is for A square, B square. 1, 2 A's and 2 B's. And this is for A cube, B cube. See, 1, 1, 2, 3 A's, 1, 1, 2, 3 B's. So, by constructing the automata for every string, I have accepted this L12. Suppose I will give you one invalid string. Say A square B. A square B. It is invalid. what happens? First A, it comes to this state, and for second A, it comes to this state, and then B, the machine comes to this, and machine stops in this state for A square B, and as it is non-final, it will not be accepted. Okay, and at the same time, if I take one more B here, one more B, the machine goes to this final state, and final state accepted because A square B square. And here one more B comes, already it has reached the final state, and the final state has not defined for B, it stopped in the final state. Even though it stopped in the final state, this B has not scanned because it has not defined. So the string is not accepted because it is invalid. Okay, so here, now tell me, the girl whoever talked to me earlier, these things. Okay, Miss, you please tell me, do you find the relation between A and B here? Means, is there any relation between the number of A's and number of B's?
No, sir.
Okay, you are saying that no relation. Miss, tell
Oh,
me.
sir, sir, there is a relation.
Yes, what is that relation?
As n is equal, so number of A's is always equals to number of B's.
Okay, that is the relation. Here, A's and B's must be equal. Equal relation is there. Whatever the number of A's, that many number of B's has to be there. Okay, na? So there is a relation between A's and B's. Okay, that is one thing. And how many strings will be there in L12? Finite or infinite? Hello, what is the total number of strings in the L12? These are the strings.
Four
Miss, yes.
strings.
4 strings. Finite, na?
4 strings. Yes, sir.
Okay. We have the relation between A and B, and that relation is finite. Okay. Okay. Just hold on. Just leave it. So we have accepted every string of L12 through this automata. So, and at the same time, you take any string. Example, B square A square. Here A's and B's are equal, of course, equal, but it is invalid order. What is the order actually in given L12? A's then B's, but here B's then A's. So it should not be accepted. Let us check. Initially, if B comes, the machine will be in the initial state. And in this initial state has not defined for input B. When it is not defined, it stops. Even though it stops in the final state, this string has not scanned completely. So it will not be accepted. So it is invalid. Whereas if I give you AB, it will be accepted because it is valid string. Okay, A then B. Okay, so it won't accept any invalid string. At the same time, it accepts all the valid strings. Therefore, L12 is regular. Do you all understand? समझ गया ना? Students
what children are done? Students.
Children are they are elders. Okay, come to L13. Is L13 regular or not? Do you have relation between A and B in L12? Yes, we have the relation. What is that? Sorry, in L13. We are talking about L13. Yes. A's and B's must be equal because A power n followed by B power n. Here, the both powers of A's and B's are equal. So A power n followed by B power n. A's and B's must be equal. Okay, so you have to count the A's, you have to count the B's, you have to check whether it is possible equal or not. Of course, we cannot count A's and B's, but we can construct. Okay, like in L12. So in L13, what is the smallest string here? The smallest value of n is 0. So if n is 0 epsilon, then n is 1, then n is 2, then n is 3, then n is 4, then n is 5. Okay, and so on. So what is the small last value? A power 10,000, B power 10,000. So here, this already. Please don't go. This is for A power 4 followed by B power 4. Then this is for A power 5, A power 6, B power 6, A power 7, B power so on. So on. Like this. Like this. I will construct till A power 10,000, B power 10,000. So in this, automata accepts all the valid strings. At the same time, it will not accept any invalid. Of course, here we are taking so many states. Okay, what is the finite automata? The day one I told you, you take any number of states, no problem. But finally, the number of states must be countable. Here, did I use the countable states or uncountable? Yes, these are all countable states only. How many states we can have here? Maybe 20,000 or 20,001. Okay. Now, so this is also regular. Does anyone has any doubt? Do you all agree that L13 is regular? So we can construct like this, and there is a relation between A and B, and that relation is finite. And L12 is also regular because okay, we can construct. Now, tell me, L14 is L14 regular or not? ईशा जी आप बोलिए. Can you construct a finite automata for L14?
Sir, here the number of strings are infinite.
So, yeah. And first of all, do you have the relation between A and B?
Number of A's is equals to number of B's.
Okay, number of A's equal to number of B's. Okay, relation is there. Good. And what is the smallest string?
Epsilon.
Okay, this is for epsilon. Okay, AB. This is for A square, B square, and this is for A cube, B cube, A power 4, B power 4, and this is for A power 10, this is B power 10,000. And after that, this is for 10,001, B power 10,001, and this is for A power 1 lakh, B power 1 lakh, and this is for so on. This is for A power 1 crore and B power 1 crore. If you want more, okay, I will keep on constructing. This is for A power 2 crores and B power 2 crores. ऐसा कंस्ट्रक्ट कर सकते हैं क्या ईशा जी? Example, A power 3 crores, B power 3 crores. Is that valid string or invalid string?
Valid string.
So you just keep on constructing. Already we have constructed for 2 crores and just increase like this. Okay, you can. It will be accepted if A's and B's are equal. So is this possible or not possible, Isha ji?
Possible.
Ashay? हाँ, बोलो.
वैसे तो फिर पॉसिबल रहना चाहिए ना.
What is the impossible thing here? I want the perfect answer. Isha ji, the day one I told you the definition of finite automata. This is it is a 5 tuple Q sigma del Q naught F. What is this Q, Miss Ishaji?
P O
Number of states.
Shape completely, ma'am.
Hello.
What is the complete structure of this definition of Q? Non-empty set of states.
Finite number of
Finite non-empty set of states. That day I told you minimum 1 and should be finite. You take 1 crore, no problem. 10 crores, no problem. 100 crores of states, no problem. But finally, the number of states must be countable. Okay. Here, for this language, even though if I construct like this, a power 3 crores followed by b power 3 crores, is that the last string? No. After that, a power 4 crores, b power crores will be there, and is a power b crores b 4 and b power 4 crores is last one? No. Again, there will be a power next string will be there, and as n value is goes on increasing, you have to increase the number of states. And even though we construct the until a power 10 crores and b power 10 crores, that will be the will not be the final value of n. Again, n value can be increased. So as n value is increasing, you have to keep on increasing the number of states, so that for this to construct like this, we required infinite number of states. Infinite number of states. Whenever infinite number of states, it is not a finite automata. Therefore, we cannot construct like this. Okay. Why do we require infinite number of states? My question. Because here the n value is infinite. Just carefully listen this point. Here, even though we can construct like this, as n value is increasing, we have to increase the number of states. So whenever we required to satisfy this language, we required infinite number of states. That is the reason I am saying it is not possible. Okay, it is not possible because n value is infinite. Okay, just hold on. I am going back here. M and n values, are they finite or infinite? Here and here and here. In all these cases, what are the m and n values? Are they finite or infinite? Please respond. Here, a power m followed by b power n, or a power 2m, b power 3, in all these L7 to L11, L7 to L11. Here also, the m and n values are infinite, even though the strings are infinite. Yes, here L7, the strings are infinite. L8, strings are infinite. Here, infinite. All these cases are infinite. Even though they are infinite, we have decided that each language is regular. See, regular. All these languages are regular. Now, but coming to L14, when this is infinite, we are saying that it is not possible. What is the reason here? Please tell me, are you following, or shall I give you more explanation? Here, as n value is increasing, you have to increase the states like this, and like this, if you want to construct, we required infinite number of states. Infinite number of states is not a finite automata. Okay, why do we require infinite number of states? Because n value is infinite. Okay, okay, just leave it. Here also m and n values are infinite. Even though they are infinite, we have decided that each language is regular. So why these are regular? Why this is not possible? Why it is not regular? Because here there is a relation between A and B. means whatever the number of A's, that many number of B's should be there. Whatever the number of A's, followed by that many number of B's must be there. So if A's are 100, B should be 100. If A's are 1 lakh, B should be 1 lakh. Only the way is possible, you count the A's, then you count the B's, then check whether these counts are equal or not. But counting, we require a memory. But a finite automaton does not have the memory, therefore we cannot accept in that way. Only the possible way is like this. If you want to construct like this, you require infinite number of states, and infinite number of states is not a finite automata. Okay. So because there is a relation, that is the reason we cannot construct, because we require infinite number of states. But here, even though these are infinite, there is no relation between A and B. If A's are 100, B's can be 100 or less than 100 or more than 100. B's can be any number. That is the reason these all languages are regular, whereas this is not regular, because relation is there. Okay. Now, okay. This is, in this you have the relation, that is the reason it is not regular. Then what about this one? Do we have relation or not? Yes, here also A's and B's are equal, and here also A's and B's should be equal. And even though relation is there in L12 and L13, we have decided that they are regular, whereas the same relation is in L14 also, but we are saying not possible. What is this? Ishaji, give me the answer. In L12 and in L13 also there is a relation. Even though relation is present, the relation present here, we have decided that they are regular, whereas in L14 the same relation also present here, but we are not saying that. We are saying that it is not regular.
So because in L12 and L13 we have finite number of.
That's good. In L12, L13, even though relation is there between A and B, that relation is finite. Here, the relation is until 3. Here, the relation is until 10,000. But here, relation and infinite. So, that is the reason it is not possible. So, only one way is possible in L14. That is, you count the A's. As long as the machine is scanning A's, you count the A's. After that, whenever B's comes, you count the B's. So for counting A's and B's, a memory is required. But a memory is not present in infinite automata. That is the reason we cannot construct. The other way is possible is like this. Okay, just the other way, the possible is like this. If you want to construct like this, we require infinite number of states. Infinite number of states, not a finite automata. Therefore, for L14, we cannot finite automata in any way, whether to increase the states or to count the A's. Both way it is not possible. Therefore, is not regular.
Class. Now well, teacher, student.
Any doubts?
Any doubts?
Any doubts? Okay, take a note. Just every one of you, please write the point here.
No doubt, sir.
Okay, take a point. I will dictate. In L14, we must compare.
Daddy, do the cover.
Please don't disturb. For that, a memory is required. But A finite automata does not have the memory. A finite automata does not have the memory. We cannot construct a finite automata to accept L14. Hence, L14 is not regular. Okay, so just copy clearly. In L14, we must compare the number of A's and B's. Okay, to compare, a memory is required, but a finite automata does not have the memory. Therefore, we cannot construct a finite automata to accept L14. Therefore, we cannot construct a finite automata to accept L14. Hence, L14 is not regular. Okay. Does anyone have any doubt in this? Now, I will give you, based on this, I will give you one final conclusion. Okay. May I delete this one? Okay. So if anybody asks L14, why it is not regular? Because in L14, A's and B's are equal. So whatever the string we take, the finite automata must compare the A's and B's. So the number of A's and number of B's must be equal. So it has to count the A's and count the B's. For that, it is required a memory. But a finite automata does not have the memory. Therefore, we cannot construct a finite automata to accept L14. L14 is not regular. समझ गया? So simply this much story is just okay. You may not say exactly, but what remember the concept here. The concept is to compare A's and B's. Memory is required for finite automata, but finite automata does not have the memory. Therefore, it is not possible to construct a finite automata. Hence, it is not regular. Now, the final conclusion. I will give you simple technique to decide a language regular or not. With that technique, by looking at the language, you can easily decide whether it is regular or not. Okay, now copy this one. Suppose there is no relation between the inputs. No relation between the inputs. Then whether they are finite or infinite. When there is no relation, whether they are finite or infinite, then it is regular. This means, look at this L7, and there is no relation between A's and B's. So when there is no relation, yes, it is regular. Here also no relation. Here also no relation, no relation. In all these languages, there is no relation between A and B. So whenever there is no relation, whether the strings are finite or infinite, it is regular. Okay, next. Suppose there is a relation. And if that relation is finite, then also regular. Look at this. You have the relation between A's and B's here and here also. That relation is finite. This is finite, and here also finite. So relation is there, and if that relation is finite, it is regular. And suppose relation is there and that relation is infinite, then it is not regular. Okay, like this. You have the relation between A and B, and that relation is infinite, then not regular. Okay, so copy this, and based on this, you can easily identify whether they are regular or not regular. Does anyone has any doubt? Hello? Now I'll give you, based on this, you just decide whether it is regular or not. I'll give you more questions. Simultaneously, you also copy this in your notes. So try this, all languages. So every time you just check whether there is relation or not. If relation is there, then if it is finite, then it will be regular. Relation infinite will not be regular. So what about L15? Do you have the relation or not?
Yes, sir.
What is that relation?
Number of A's must be greater than number of B's.
Okay, here A's must be more than. So you have to count the A's, you have to count the B's, you have to check whether A's are greater than or A's are more than B's or not. So whenever relation, if there is a relation, because you have to check that A's are more than B's or not. So relation is there. So whenever relation is there, a memory is required. And okay, relation is there. Is that relation finite or infinite? Is that relation finite or infinite? Here we have the relation. Yes, that relation is A must be more than the B's, and that relation is finite or infinite. That relation is finite or infinite. Okay, here what is the maximum value of n? What is the maximum value of n? Is it 1 crore? Is it 10 crores? Is it 1000 crores? No, maximum value of n is infinite. When n means number of bits. When the number of bits are infinite, the number of A's must be more than that number of bits. So here, whenever it is infinite, we cannot count. So here, relation is there, and that relation is infinite. Therefore, it is not regular. Any doubt? So simply, relation infinite, not regular. Because we required a memory, we cannot construct a finite automata. Here, the powers are different. A power m, b power n. Okay, whenever powers are differently, there is no relation. Okay, just go forward. Just leave this point and go forward. Means here. And what is given here? M is not equal to n. What is m? M is number of A's. What is n? N is number of B's. So number of A's should not be equal to number of B's. Yes or no? Okay. So even though the powers are different here, there is no relation. But when you come forward, this one, then here it is showing that m should not be equal to n. That means the number of A's should not be equal to number of B's. So finally, there is a relation. Yes or no? So yes, this language is having relation. What is that relation? It can be any number of A's followed by any number of B's, but the thing is, A's and B's should not be equal. Here, what is this? A's and B's must be equal. So here you have to count the A's and B's. Impossible. And here also you have to count the A's and B's. Impossible. There in L14 must be equal. In L16 should not be equal. However, equal or unequal, relation is there. And how many strings will be there so that A's and B's are not equal? There will be infinite. So this is not regular. Ashay, Shreya, आपको समझ गया? Shreya ji.
Yes, sir.
Okay, relation is there na, and relation is infinite na, so it is not regular, ma'am. Now, Shreya ji, you please give me the answer for L17.
Sir, regular.
कैसे?
Sir, there's no relation between I, J, and K, and it's infinite.
Okay, good. Whenever there is no relation, you need not to talk about infinite or finite. When we talk, if relation is there, then only we talk about finite or infinite. So it's good. It is regular because no relation. No relation is always regular. Good. Shreya, can you explain me the strings of L17? Means what kind of strings L17 may have?
Sir, it will start from epsilon and it will go till infinite.
Okay. Suppose ijk, if all are zeros, then it will have epsilon. Suppose j is 0 and k is also 0, then it will have only s. Suppose I is 0 and k is also 0, then it will have only base. And if both ij are 0, then it will have only c's. So this language will have only a's and only b's and only c's. Yes or no? Or it can have a's followed by b's. Or it can have b's followed by c's. Or it can have a's followed by c's. Or it can have a's followed by b's followed by c's. Okay, all these can be accepted because there is no relation. Only thing is, Miss, tell me, is this valid or invalid?
Invalid?
Why?
No, sir, valid.
Why? What is,
Sir, because
what is the language given? Miss, here A's followed by B's followed by C's. यहाँ पे 20 के बाद क्या है? क्या है था यहाँ पे?
कुछ नहीं है.
मैडम ये string है. B's after A's ना? Can you see the string?
Yes, sir.
B cube A power 4. So B's after A's are present. But what is the language? Any number of A's followed by any number of B's means A's, then followed by B's, then followed by C's. But here B's followed by A's, it is invalid. B's after C should come, but not A's. So these kind of things should not be accepted. Okay, I am constructing. Anyway, in L17, there is no relation between A, B, C. It is regular. This is for epsilon. This is for only A's. This is for only B. This is single first B, then remaining B's. This is for only B's. And this is for only C's. See? C. Okay. This is for only A's. And this is for only B's. Okay. From initial, it will go to final. And this is for only C's. So it accepts only A's and only B's and only C's. Suppose A's followed by B's. Yes, A's followed by B's. A cube, B cube is valid. So then it is A's and B's. And suppose B is followed by C's. Yes, it is also invalid. So first it will take B's, any number of B's followed by C's. So it accepts A's followed by B's followed by C's. Now, after that, are only A's followed by C's. A's followed by C's. Now, whereas look at this string, it is invalid. Here it accepts, it scans the strings B's, first B, second B, third B. Then when it comes to A's, the machine is here. We have not defined for A in this state, so the machine stops in this state only, but it has not scanned the string completely. Therefore, it is not accepted. समझ गए ना? Okay. Here, B's after A should not come. If B after A's comes, it go to the dead state. Similarly, C after A should not come, B should not come. If it comes, it will go to the dead state. So this is the complete DFA if you want. Okay, here we are not constructing anyway. We are just deciding whether it is regular or not. Yes, it is regular. Because there is no relation, it is regular. Okay. Any doubt? Now, Ankit.
The regular.
How?
Sir, there is no relation between J and K.
Good. Regular. Can you explain the language?
Sir, the diagram will be similar, but it will accept 1A, 2B. Means if I
any number of A's followed by A's can be any number.
Any number of A, then followed by B, then followed by C.
No. Any number of A's followed by even number of B's, Mister.
Yes, that.
Followed by C,
any number
of 3. Yes, it is possible because there is no relation. Okay, it is possible. It is regular. If you want to construct, here also the smallest is epsilon. This is for any number of A's. Okay, and B's can be even number. 1. If B's are there. Whenever you are not talking, please phones. This is for 1, 2, 3, 4. This is even, and C's can be there, and only C's can be there. So they must be multiple of 3. This is first C, and this is for second C, and this is for third C, or it can be more. And so this is for only A's, only B's, and B's after, suppose A, B power 4, C power 6, suppose A power 5, okay, A power 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then B power 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then if C comes, yes, then this is B power 4, C power 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there is no relation, it is regular, simply. So you need not to construct, just check whether relation is there or not. If there is no relation, regular. Relation is there, suppose, and the relation is finite, then also regular. Okay, now? Do you all understand this one?
Sir, non-regular.
क्यों?
Sir, there is a relation between I, J and K, and it goes up to infinity. Any
Good.
value.
Good. Here, a power I, b power j, c power k, as powers are all powers are different, no relation. As all powers are different, no relation. But when you come forward, there is relation. Either a should be more than b, or b should be less than c. So anyway, you have to count the a's, you have to count the b's, you have to check, or you have to count the b's, you have to count the a's, you have to check. So relation, and that relation is infinite, so it is not regular. No?
Yes, sir. But
Okay,
something I had missed in the classes because of the network issues.
okay. At least did you understand how to decide regular or not? You missed that part or what?
Yes, sir. But I'll whatever has been missed, I'll just go through the recording once, so it will be clear.
Okay, are you there in this L14?
Yes, sir.
And are you there when I explain this part?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then definitely that's enough, ma'am. See, you just answer my question. L20. L20, is this regular or not? And do you find the relation between A, B, C here? Rakshita? Here, A power I, B power J, C power K, all the powers are different. So no relation. But if you go forward, that is this part. Here it is showing that I greater than or equal to J, means A must be either more or equal. Okay, and J greater than or equal to K, means B must be either more or equal to C. So number of A should be more or equal to B, and B should be more or equal to C. So there is a relation. And that relation, how long is that relation? That relation is infinite. Whenever relation is infinite, that is not regular. Miss, समझ गए ना? Rakshita? Again, network issue, I think.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good, very good. Okay, L20. So अब बोलिए L21, Bhushan.
So it is regular because although there is a relation between A and B, but number of states are finite. Therefore, it is regular.
States are finite or relation is finite?
Yeah. Number of relations are.
Of course, states are finite, but we are not constructing. No? Okay, relation is finite. Good, good. It is regular. What about others? Shreya?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Shreya, are you South Indian? Means from South or only Maharashtra?
Yes, sir. South Indian.
Oh, yeah, Pillai, that's the reason. Tamilian?
No, sir. Malayali.
Oh, great. Manslayo?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so tell me how this is regular. L21.
Sir, there's a relation between M and N. So, and the maximum value goes up to 5
Good. Okay.
because of that.
That's good. That's good. Okay. Okay. I'm changing this value to 3. You just don't change. Okay. Okay. Whether it is 3 or 5, no problem. Okay. guys, look at this here. What is the smallest value of, okay, the smallest value of, okay, whatever 3 or 5, I'll make it as 5 only. What is the smallest value of n? Or okay, what is the maximum value of m? What is the maximum value of m? Guys, you can say this now. What is the maximum value of 5? So if A's are 5, suppose A's are 5, how many B's must be there?
4.
So
Huh?
less than 5.
Four,
Less
four.
than 5. No, boss. Why? It can be
Yeah,
1,
less
2,
than
3,
5.
4. Okay, na? Very good. Suppose A's are 4, how many B's? Less than 4. 1,
Less
2.
than.
Suppose A's are 3, B's can be 1 or 2. Suppose A's are 2, how many B's can be present? Only 1. And suppose A's are 1, B's cannot be 0 because minimum value is 1. So these are the strings. So how many strings are present here? A power 5, B power 1, A power 5, B power 2, A power 5, B power 3, B power 4, 4 strings. These are 3, these are 2, these are 1. Total 10 strings. Okay, we have the relation, but that relation is finite. Why? Because we finally got the finite number of strings. Whenever relation is there and the relation is finite, it is possible to construct. How it is possible? Let us check this one. Suppose A's are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 A's. These are 5 A's. When A's are 5, B's can be 1, okay, and B's can be 2, okay. I'm making this as final. Are you following? And B's can be 3, okay, and B's can be 4. That's it. And B's are more than 4, we don't construct, or we construct to the dead state. And suppose A's are 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then B's can be 1. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4 A's, then it can be 1 B. It can be 2 B's. It can be 3 B's. And similarly, if A's are 3, B's can be 1. Okay, suppose A's are 1. See, A's are 1, 2, 3, then B's can be 1 or B's can be 2. Suppose A's are 2. Suppose A's are 2. Then B's can be 1. That's it. So this way we can construct the finite automata, because even though relation is there and this relation is finite, therefore it is regular. Are you all clear? This is regular. Ishaji, 22.
Irregular.
Say not means not regular, na?
Not regular.
Kyun?
So because the maximum n is less than 5, but m can be and m can go up to infinity.
Yes, good. M can be infinity and n is 5. Okay, suppose maximum value of n is 5, then A's can be 6, A's can be 600, A's can be 6 lakh, 6 crores, up to infinity. So relation infinite, you are saying not regular. Am I right? Are you saying the same?
Yes, sir.
Regular or not? Abba, yes, sir. How are you, boss? तबीयत ठीक है?
हाँ.
बोलो.
So there exists the relation between m and n, but m can take any value. Therefore, the language is not regular.
Are you all the same? Do you all say the same? Shreya ji,
Yes, sir.
are you regular, not regular?
Sir, not regular.
Pakka.
Huh.
Open. Ocean.
Yes, sir.
बोलो boss.
Yes, sir. So there is a relation between M and N, means there is a relation between A and B, and number of states or relation is finite, less than 5. So it is regular.
Huh? Suppose B's are 5. How many A's can be there, mister?
8 to the power. Sorry. Haha. Right, sir.
क्या
Number
right
of number of A's can be infinite, but number of N should be less than or equal to 5. So it is not regular.
पक्का?
Yes, sir. Because range is given only for N, not for M. M can be infinite. So
Oh. Okay. Okay.
okay, sir.
You all just look at this. Whether it is 5 or 3, you don't have any problem, na? Some value. Okay. What is the smallest value of N? What is the smallest value of N? Hello, what is the smallest value of N? N. The least value of N? 1. When B's are 1, how many A's minimum? Oh, don't you know or what? When B's are 1, how many A's minimum?
2.
2.
2 or more?
More than
2
2.
or greater than 2.
Okay. So here, what is the smallest string? What is the smallest string, guys? Guys, tell me what is the smallest string? A square B. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
A square and this is B. And when B's are 1, can you see this pen pointer? Is this visible?
Yes, sir. Slightly.
I'm moving A is 1, 2, then and B's are 1. When B's are 1, A's can be 2, minimum 2, or it can be 3, 4, 5, 6, 600, 1,000, 1 lakh, 1 crore. Okay, na? Do you all agree for this point?
Yes, sir.
Now, suppose B's are 2, how many A's minimum? Minimum 3 or can be more than 3. Okay, now? So 1, this is second A, this is third A, and when B's are 1, 2, this is for 2 B's. When B's are 2, A's 1, 2, 3 can be more. Can be 5, can be 100, can be 1 crore when B's are 2. But when B's are 2, minimum is 1, 2, 3 A's, or can be more A's. समझ गया? Now, when B's are 3, A's minimum 4 or more than 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. When B's are 1, 2, 3. So A is 1, 2, 3, 4, or can be more than 4. Now tell me, guys, can we construct like this or not? Suppose, what is the question I gave you? Until 5. So when B's are 4, A's can be minimum 5 or more than that. When B's are 5, A's can be minimum 6 or more than that. So can we construct like this? Yes, we can construct like this. So it is regular. Yes, I am accepting every string. Suppose B's are 3 and A's are also 3. It should not be accepted. Let us check. A's are 3. A is 3 and B is 3. Look at this. First A, second A. Suppose this is third A self loop, then first B. So we have scanned until here. Now this is the next symbol. But in this state, B is not defined. So it stops and not accepted. Let us go in this direction. First A, second A, third A. Okay, yeah, all 3 A's are scanned. And then first B, okay, then second B, okay, then the machine comes to the final, it is not defined. So this way also not accepted. So let us go to the last. This is first A and this is second A and this is third A. Now the machine is here. Now 3 A's after it is B, and this state is not defined for B, it stops here. So anyway you move, it is being not accepted because it is invalid string. If instead of this 3, if I take one more A, then it comes to this state, then 1, 2, 3 B is accepted. So it is regular. So many of you having the doubt, sir, just now you only told us that relation infinite, not regular, sir. Yes, we have the relation here, that is A's must be greater than B's, and that relation is infinite. Why? Because when n is 5, B's can, when B's are 5, A's can be 6 or 600 or 6000. So it is infinite. So relation infinite, it should not be regular. But you are saying that it is regular. What is this, sir? We are getting confusion. Some of you may be thinking like this. So let me clarify this one. Here, of course, relation is there, no doubt. Relation is there. What is that relation? A's must be more greater than B's. Okay, relation is there. Are you checking that relation until infinite or until finite? We have to check when B's are 1, A's must be greater than or equal to 2 or not. When B's are 2, A's must be more than or more or equal to 3. When B's are 3, you have to check whether A's are more than B's or not. When B's are 4, you have to check whether A's are 5 or more or not. When B's are 5, you have to check minimum A's are 6 or more or not. So you have to check until this relation only. You are not checking when B's are 6, when B's are 100,000, when B's are 1 lakh. You are not checking. You have to check when B's are 1, whether A's are 2 or more or not. When B's are 2, whether A's are 3 or more or not. When B's are 3, whether A's are 4 or not. Okay, when B's are 4, A's are 5 or more or not. And when B's are 5, A are as a present is 6 or more or not. So you have to check until a finite relation only. You are not, see, this is the language which I have, this is the automata which I have constructed until BQ. Until BQ, 1 B's, 2 B's and 3 B's. So I have not constructed for infinite relation. I have constructed this automata for finite relation. Yes, it is of finite relation because this n is finite. Here relation is finite and strings are infinite. I repeat, relation is finite because this n value is fixed and n value is limited. relation is finite and strings are infinite. I never said strings are infinite, not regular. I told you relation is infinite, not regular. Now tell me, here is this regular infinite or finite? Hello? Here, do you say that relation is finite or infinite? Shreya Pillai, Madam Ji.
Sir.
Shreya Ji,
Yes, sir.
relation is finite or infinite here?
So it's finite.
Okay, relation finite, because we have to check until B's are 5 only. When B's are 5, you will check whether A's are 6 or not, more than 6 or not. That's it. You need not to check infinite relation. Of course, strings are infinite.